So what we're gonna do here is okay. All right, here's
you're already on. You're already
yeah. All right, you're on the air. All right, so what you do is you don't put any water in the water container. So this is going to be completely empty. What you do, slide it all the way to the back, push it down. All right, and see how you have two pipes? You're only going to need one of these because this one right here is going to replace the bottom one. Snap it on here. Doesn't get any easier than that. And I already put the water. We already put the solution. There's only one way to put it out there. Give it a little tap, okay, and that makes sure that it's fastened in. Turn it on, and then check this out. It's pretty cool. So with this one, the water's going to come out on the back right here. So watch this. I'll press the trigger. See the water coming out? You got water and soap coming out as you speak behind the pipe. All right. So suggestion, do like a 2 foot by 2 foot or 3 foot by 3 foot area at a time. So what we're going to do is just slow down for now. Right? You see the water coming out, right? On the side. All right. Yeah. And then what you do is you take your finger off the trigger. When you take your finger off the trigger, no more water is coming out. Now you just loosen up the dirt. So you're scrubbing. By the way, this is like getting on your hands and knees without getting on your hands and knees. And you all the dancing we've done over the years with the, what's the kind of dancing we can do?
Line dancing.
Yeah, with line dancing. You don't want any more damage to your knees. So you loosen it up, watch this, turn it. See what I did? I turned it. Okay, now pull towards you. And then check that out. So by pulling towards you, you're actually sucking the water and everything right out. Water, soap, and dirt. Water, soap, and dirt. I'm going to tell you the tough thing of people is that mop. That mop is on a mop in a bucket. The mop is dirty. The water is dirty. So the floors are dirty. All you're doing is slopping the dirt around. This is actually scrubbing and extracting it. Wow. Let's see the color already. And that, if you notice, I didn't like break a sweat. And it's going to dry way quicker than it would using the dirty mop. Okay? Go back and forth, go back and forth. Now see what I'm doing? I'm pulling. I'm pulling towards me. If you push, you're pushing the water. The mouth is on the back. Okay?
Okay.
And there you go. It's just about completely dry. Watch this. So when you're done, you pull this guy out. Okay? And there's going to be a little bit of water in here. Just suck it out. Right in there. That's the maintenance. And then let it run for a minute like that. And what it'll do, it'll dry out the hose, it'll dry out the pipe. Got a little bit over here left. I'll start that up. And it's a wrap. What I'm going to do is I'll actually walk right on. I'm walking right on it just to show you that it's just barely a little bit damp. And that's how you dry the floors. And then watch this. You'll see. This is the amazing rainbow cleaning system. That was only a 2 foot, 3 foot area at a time. You're actually really picking up the dirt where it's just slopping it around. That's fantastic. So there it is. That's how you use the mop. The Rain Jet is called. All right. Super.